Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you that how can you see anyone's message on Instagram without getting them know that you have seen that message. So what you have to do is, first of all you have to open your Instagram app. So when you open your Instagram app, at the top of your screen, at the top of your screen here, you will see that I have received two messages here. So I have received a Shivam Pandey's message. Shivam Pandey have sent me a message. So now what I have to do is, if I want to see this message and Shivam Pandey will not see that, I will not know that I have seen that message. So what you have to do is go back and here search the person's name who have sent you the message. So now I am going to search Shivam Pandey here. Now click on that. And now what you have to do is just click on this three dot, click on dot and restrict, click on restrict and again click on restrict. So now I have restricted Shivam Pandey. Now what you have, we go back, click on your home. Here you will see that Shivam Pandey's message is not shown here, so what you have to do is click on request, and here you will see that Shivam Pandey's message is here. So now click on it. When you click on it, you will see the what is the message Shivam Pandey has sent. Now you can read that message, and Shivam Pandey will not know that you have read that message. So I am going to show you how you can see. Now I am going to open the Shivam Pandey's Instagram, and he will open my Instagram. Now I am going to open my camera here. You will see that here that scene is not shown here. So like this you can see that the message is not seen, means the Shivam Pandey will not know that I have seen that message. So like this you can see someone's message on Instagram without knowing them. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.